And what is up, everybody? Jeremy here, and in this video we got RamTech Unlimited version 2.26 coming at ya. I'm calling this the Watchtower update, and special thank you to King Gath Creations for allowing me to bring in items from his creation, Watchtower, and bring it into this mod so that you can have unlimited access to computer cores, Watchtower components, and intel so that you can continuously build out your fleet, your star station, and so much more. So let's get into it. Let's show you how it works. I'm going to go into the decorator at my outpost. You can do it at your ship or at your house. So I'm just going to go into it right here. And what we have is this little section right here, right above. Bring it out right there. You have access to Terran Armada items, Trackers Alliance items, Shattered Space items, and now Watchtower items. I'm going to build it out and go check it out right here. And as you can see, we have the weapons from Watchtower, the spacesuit from Watchtower, which can be upgraded as an exotic. Just going to grab one of those. Harper's Deep Seeker pack. We have the Watchtower space helmet. We have all the Skydrop flares, so that's available to you as well. Ammo, I think that's just brought in by one of the weapons here. Resources, your control node. So control node, I think that's the that's a quest item. So that's in there. You have the computer core pack, the Watchtower components, the Watchtower computer cores, and the intel. And what's cool about this is that when you grab one of these, it replenishes itself. So yeah, automatically replenishes itself. I think I set this to 50, but it's showing 150 right now. Miscellaneous, you have all the key cards available to you. And of course, the one thing I want to show you, here's the apparel, all the cyber amps fully upgraded, or the cyber amps, the cybernetics, and the cyber tech. So that's all available to you as well. Another item that was requested is a Neuro Amp that allows you to move so much faster in the game, and I called it the RamTech Neuro Slipstream NX9, and it's placed in the RamTech equipment box. So I'm going to go in there right now and show it to you. Here it is, the RamTech Neuro Slipstream NX9. I made it an exotic already, so you can see some of the stats here, but essentially it allows you to move really, really fast. So let's check it out right here. Oops, wrong button. Wrong button. Let's go ahead and equip it. Oh, there we go. And let's see, let's demonstrate. Oops, there we go. All right, so now I should be able to, this is normal walking. That's normal walking. This is sprinting. And this is boosting. Or that's a jump. Now we're boosting. Now we're boosting, we're flying off. My computer can't handle how fast we're going right now, but there it is, everybody. So if you really want to just move through that map as fast as you can, or faster, I really could have just tuned this up faster, but move faster than what you have been, then this Neuro Amp is for you. Beyond that, guys, I've also included several other fixes, which you can see here. But essentially, yeah, we'll be consistently updating this mod so that you can have, I mean, yeah, I think next stage is just going to be have more fun. I mean, outside of bugs or what, wait, is this going to, there it is. there we go. There you go. But yeah, yeah, outside of just fixing bugs, I think now that we have most of the content out there, or support for most of the content that's now available out there, I think we're going to have more fun and just create some brand new items for this creation. So be on the lookout for more. Beyond that, guys, I want to give a mad shout out to our patrons and supporters. Thank you so much for all the love and support as always. If you'd like to support our channel by becoming a patron, donor, or supporter, check out the links below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as everything does help out. And of course, if you want to support me even further, I have a brand new channel called J Ramos Rigs Creative. I'm working to building that to 1,000, and in there you can see how I turn discarded objects into sci-fi fantasy art with heart, trying to create a story behind it as well. So if you'd like to be part of that story, check out the channel and support it. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you in the next one, everybody. More fun stuff coming soon. Peace out.